Next item number 15.
Mention filing number.
Let it come. It will come on the board in regular course. Please, madam, don't prevail upon us time and again. Please.
It's important because 7 times.
Everything is important.
Expressly, High Court has granted liberty to the remedy. And page 35.
Honorable High Court, on when the status quo was there, has dismissed the writ petition. If I can show the relevant para 17, the last page, page number 35.
Please, madam, one by one. Sometimes you come, sometimes your counsel comes. We are unable to understand who has to proceed with the matter.
I am listed, and today I got the morning. I got the.
You keep on filing IE every month.
Because of the 15-7 order, because expressly the matter has been.
Please, can we read the order or not?
Para 17 of the order. It would further be pertinent to note here that although there was a categorical order from this court passed on 1st October 24 requiring the petitioner to withdraw all pending proceedings within a week, yet the petitioner has admittedly not done so. Therefore, she is evidently in contempt of this court. That apart, as noted above, the petitioner is also guilty of suppression of material facts. Under these circumstances, it would ordinarily be wholly justified for this court to dismiss the writ petition by imposing a heavy cost upon the petitioner. However, considering the fact that earlier court order or dated 20th December 2024 passed by this court in writ petition number so and so imposed a cost of 5 lakhs has already been upon the petitioner.
Yes.
We are impelled to take a lenient view. Therein in para 18 interim is indicated, my lordships.
Para 17-18.
To expressly go for the remedy of 11-10 order. I already filed a petition.
There is a 11-10 order is specified here. It says that liberty shall be available to you. Madam, can you listen to us, please? It says liberty shall be available to you to contest your case on the pro-nit judgment. Pro-nit judgment we already considered 30th October order. Please.
Filed the petition. Sir, all these contentions, all your orders are also being produced in the High Court. And I have already...
High Court has refrained from imposing costs upon you for contempt. It has given a clear finding of contempt. Please, madam, please.
7 November, I
Chalo, you proceed.
Sir, this court is only for companies, not for MSMEs.
Chalo.
They are passing in chambers, they are passing orders and they want to kill MSMEs. I have pre-existing disputes.
Madam, don't compel us to...
2021, I filed the civil court. 2023, I filed commercial court. And section 63 part does not apply. And High Court has put mediation notice already. Compulsory mediation is there, sir. Already notice has been issued.
In the first I 45.
This court is only for a month, not for MSME.
Para 17-18 record kar lo. Before Mrs. Manisha Mehta alleges that this court is for the Manis only, not for the MSMEs.
Yes.
She further emphasized that this bench passes the order in the chamber. The said submission noted for reference for the future. Okay. Then, now what do you want to say? We will record everything.
Sir, mediation notice already issued.
She further submits that High Court has granted their liberty. We are recording your submission. The High Court is granted a liberty in terms of para 18, which is reproduced above in the order.
And the date is 11 November.
These by one we recording. On parallel said order, we find that liberty has been granted in the context of pro-nit judgment, which has already been dealt with by this court, by this tribunal, in its order.
Sir, when you are recording my submissions, you just record my submissions.
Yeah, already.
Sir, I am saying, sir, that
30th October 2024.
11 November, that petition is already opened up. 11 November, this date is already listed in High Court. The new restoration. No, that is a different shoot. Sir, the restoration of the 11-10 order is already filed and the High Court has given me.
Be it High Court, Enclave or Supreme Court as on date.
But mediation notice is already issued and there is a pre-existing dispute, sir. Pre-existing dispute is there, mediation notice is issued compulsory by High Court.
Respondent is directed to proceed further. Now proceed further. We have recorded everything.
Sir, the date of the Mumbai High Court is 11 November 24 and restoration of the old petition is already done, sir. And already I have mentioned. And restoration of the old petition and the High Court has given date.
First application 4547. This is the 19th application. On 12 September 2025, with the police assistance, we had visited the registered office of the
There was a stay. Still they came for the this thing. There was a oral stay. They
Don't speak. Don't speak. Enough.
I filed a report. When we visited the registered office, in fact, I had also visited along with the RP. The registered office was locked. The RP called the respondent, Ms. Manisha Mehta, to come in person and open the lock and allow us access. She did not visit. She denied to come. Police assistance was also there. Still, being the lock with the premises being locked, we could not enter the premises. So that report has been filed. Now, my lordship, the further development in this matter, my lordship, just look at the conduct of the respondent. Now she is writing email to the SRAs. Well, look at the email, my lordships. The third last paragraph. Please note that the technical and legal position that I do not recognize the NCLT order in the CRP process. I have not cooperated in any way. It is admitted. Now, my lordship, today as an RP, I am integrated. Today I don't have the possession. Still, there are plans which are under consideration. COC is willing to consider. Now, the promoter is trying to threaten by writing all these emails.
I have stated the facts. I stated the facts.
Please explain only what we ask for. Okay. We are asking from you. This is the stand taken by you.
I have just given the data, the facts.
You answer our question. This is the stand taken by you as Manisha Mehta. Whether all other directors are supporting this stand? Just answer this question only. Yes or no?
Sir, I am a promoter. And
I am asking from you as a director.
So directors are suspended. What they will do? It is a promoter guarantor who is facing the music of this court, who is demanding 75 lakhs from me. Just see. Sir, see, this whole nation is there to support MSMEs, and see the conduct of this court and this RP.
Please get out. Get out.
How can I get out, sir? I have to save my company. How can I get out?
Say whatever you want to say.
Sir, matter is in High Court. I have filed the petition in the High Court. That is my humble submission, sir. Sir, my only submission is there is a compulsory mediation by the High Court. There is a compulsory mediation.
Keep quiet. Enough. By making all these allegations, we cannot conduct your matter.
This is what she wants.
No, we will not conduct. Directly. We'll make report to the...
you go to the president.
We will not conduct it.
Sir, only
allegations are made.
My humble submission is the matter is in mediation. There is a pre-existing dispute, and the matter is in High Court.
I will take you. Recuse from all our matters.
From the CP itself.
All.
Send a report to IBJ and Honorable President for taking appropriate action.
Next item number 16.